How to reset Explore page on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. In here, scroll down and you will see the option for content preferences under the What You See tab. So, tap on the content preferences option there and further tap on the reset suggested content option, and in the pop-up that appears, tap on next. You will then be required to tap on the Reset Suggested Content option, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Reset Suggested Content again, and with this, your content will be reset. So, this is how you can reset Instagram Explore page. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.